Hi, this is Nisua Wright, and today is March 5th, 2022. I'm here in Milan, Italy at the Holiday Inn Zara, Nord Zara, uh, here in Milan, just a little bit on the outskirts. And I don't know if this film picks up the sound, but I'm hearing like a noise, a very sniffing noise, a noise that sounds as if it's some kind of gas or something entering into the room. I don't know, but it's very, very strange sound that is coming from the ceiling. And then as I walk outside, I'm seeing that the alarm lights are going off like every so many minutes. So here. This is also on the wall. So I don't know if there's an issue with the alarm system here, but it's very concerning because the air quality is just not too great here. And I'm going to ask more about it. So I'm just giving you guys an update. I traveled to Milan within the last 2 days, and I've been staying here in this hotel. And as you see, it's another